everybody. It is Chris with eVelocityLabs. I am glad you're with us today. We are going to do a deep dive on logos. That'll be your MSP logo if you choose to change it up. And also you have the ability to customize logos for your clients. So if a client of yours logs into their dashboard, you can have it set so they'll see their logo. Now that we've got the foundation laid, it's exciting. Let's get to this. One of the first things we're going to do is we're going to open up VenumWorks and take a look, see what we've got going on here. So we'll hit the edit button, and on the right side of the screen you can see a drop zone for a logo. And currently the logo at the top for eVelocityLabs is the default and is set there. We are going to look at our user. This user is for the client VenumWorks. Later on we're going to log in as this user and we'll see what the VenumWorks logo looks like and how the hierarchy works, whether it's set at the MSP level or also set at the client level. So keep in mind, we'll revisit this in a little bit once we've loaded logos up, and you'll have a look exactly how the mechanics of this work. Now the main logo is set down in global settings. This is the MSP logo, and we've got a drop zone. We're going to overwrite the eVelocityLabs, which is the default logo, and instead we're going to use our Rocket MSP logo for this section, and then we'll take a look and see how that looks from various perspectives. Alright, so we recommend a PNG file. It's as simple as drag and drop. You'll see the button has highlighted, indicating that we've added a file, and you can see the file name, which I've highlighted in blue here for you. We'll just hit the button to save that logo, and you can see it has been uploaded into the logo zone on the right side of your screen, and also it's immediately added to the top left badge of your screen as well. And now anytime we navigate through the UI, we'll be able to see that logo. So let's log in as our user. It would come in directly to their company dashboard, and they don't have a whole lot of options, but you can see at the top left is the MSP logo that's currently showing, and that's by design. We haven't loaded a logo for this client specifically yet. We'll go back and we'll add a logo for VenumWorks and take another look at this. So let's hit the edit button for this client. That's going to bring our edit dialog Dropbox down so we can make some changes. You'll see again on the right, similar mechanics. It's a drop zone. We can just drag and drop a PNG file to this area. Once we've done that, the button of highlight, we'll see the name of the file is changed here, and we can load this, and this will be specific to this client. Alright, so we've dropped the logo on. We're going to hit save. You can see immediately the VenumWorks logo has been added to this client, but if you look on the left hand side, we're logged in as our MSP currently, and so you'll still see that the logo for the MSP was Rocket Computers, while when we switch screens to our client user, when they log into their dashboard, you'll see that to them, the primary logo up at the top left of the screen is their company logo. So as an MSP user, we'll see ours. As a client user, we'll see the client logo if there is one loaded. And to show a little more detail on how this works, we're going to go and remove the client logo again, and you'll see that the Rocket Computers logo loads. And once we remove the Rocket Computers logo from the system, the default eVelocityLabs logo will show for both of these. Alright, so let's delete this logo out of here. You should see the Rocket Computers logo is what shows up once again. And our client user on the right hand side, a client user of VenumWorks, they are seeing the Rocket Computers logo once again. And so if I add the VenumWorks logo to this client again and refresh, you'll see it once again, the user is going to see their logo. So it's dynamic, it's easy to do. You can do this on a client by client basis if you'd like to, or you can just leave your logo in place and they'll just see your logo as an MSP. All right, let's get rid of the Rocket Computers logo, and so our MSP logo is gone, but we have a client logo in place, and the client logo is still showing VenumWorks. It does override the default eVelocityLabs logo, And now if we delete the client logo, we'll see that it defaults, since there's no MSP logo, it's going to default all the way back to eVelocityLabs, which you can see on the right side of your screen. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you found this video informational. We hope to see you again. Thanks for watching. This was Chris with eVelocityLabs.